Welcome back to the mix, guys. On the mix, we have Dwayne once again, and this is very serious as he's making some allegations or allegedly on this. He's saying that Majesty was looking him. So Majesty was sending him messages in his inbox, and he's talking about that.
Where in my life did I disrespect this retired drag queen? Respectfully, Celeste, you and Ayumi Achato. Who do you think you are? You think you can't stand nobody? You can't, little girl, ma'am, you can't stand me. And let's listen. I'm not gonna curse you. I'm not gonna curse you. I'm just gonna speak facts and facts only. Let me tell you, this retired drag queen, nobody who used to look me, who used to try and look me. Remember, Majesty, you used to look me and I didn't give you no look hint. I didn't even respond to your messages when you used to come in my inbox. Ask yourself why I didn't look at you. Ask yourself why I never once looked in your direction. Majesty, I'm bisexual, gay, however you want to describe me. And me, you have all of this purse and whatever, and I still didn't look at you. Even now I'm disabled, I still wouldn't look at you. Let's talk about that. I heard you said something like over there, oh, you was looking me because you wanted to saka me. You wanted to saka me. And did you get the opportunity? Did you get that opportunity to saka me? Bear in mind, I was new on the scene. I was new on the gay scene, so to speak. Did I look at you? Did I look at anyone in your surroundings? No. One thing with me, I'm so picky. You understand? I can count on one hand. No, tell a lie. I can count on two hands how many people I've slept with. Do you understand? Do you understand what I'm saying to you, Celeste? I'm talking to you, Celeste, aka Tariano, Adderall, Christy. I'm talking to you. Who do you think you are? You feel so you feel so you can stand me and I'm gonna take it stand. Lies you told. And I am gonna say respectfully, no lies here. He did approach me. He approached me and he approached me for other things too. Let's talk about them. Since you feel like you can disgrace me or style. Oh, and you keep on saying you're gonna put out things. Oh, I hear you over there talking about my teeth. My teeth? I love my teeth. I am gonna say categorically, this wasn't my own doing. It wasn't my own doing. You understand? And you can't stand me. Even now I'm disabled. I still wouldn't look at you. Majesty, you're not in my category. You are not in my category. Disabled and all, you are not in my category. Why did you have to go to a whole other country to go find someone to marry to? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about why you had to go to a whole different country to find someone to marry. Is it because people here weren't looking at you? Is it because people here know your dirty deeds? Or is it because no one here wanted you? Let's talk about that. You can't stand me. I am not Omar, nor am I Kemar. You understand? You can't use me. And you tried to use me several times too. You tried to use me. And what did I do? I didn't look. I am not a puppet on a string. I am not a puppet on a string. Madame Celeste, you. And yes, you did blow Scop use Donna. You used Donna to get her following. Let me openly say right now, yes, you used Donna to get her following. You did. You know you did too. You did. People, I don't need to insert Donna into this conversation. Listen, I don't need to insert Donna into this conversation. However, since the last time I said it on Grace's live, he tried to stand. You can't stand because you did use Donna. You used the woman. You used her. You did. You did. Now beaten. Now beaten. What are you going to do about it? Oh, and I am going to say to you, throw out any and everything you have in your armor. Throw it all out. Throw it out. I've been told you, put it out. Just make sure, please make sure, whatever you're going to put out is actually real stuff. Remember, I have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose. Remember, you say you have purse, right? You have purse? So let's throw it out. Throw it all out. Madame, Majesty, Celeste, draggy you. Throw it out. Throw it out. Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? You're talking about I only have the accent. At least I have the accent. Imagine put yourself in my shoes. You being in this country from the early 1990s, 1998, 1997, and until this very day, you still can't speak the language to which the country to which you adopt as your residence, where you reside. Darling, you can't talk to me. You nor anyone in your surroundings can't talk to me no day. I'm going to say one more time. I can count on 2 hands. I'm very sure it's more than 5, but less than 10 people I've slept with. Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. Oh, I'm swollen, right? Yes, I'm swollen. Thank you, I'm swollen because of medication. But this swollen boy, you was looking and I never once even responded to you. Why didn't I respond to you? How many other people we had as mutual friends and I responded to them? Should I even respond to... I even responded to one of your DJs and I didn't respond to you in my DMs. Why? Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Are you guys hearing me? Are you guys hearing me? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about it, Majesty. Let's talk about it. Why didn't I look in your direction? Why didn't I even say A, B, nor C?